In this video, I'll show you two scenarios where stock adjustments need your input: when adding stock that needs put away, and when reducing stock from multiple locations. First, we'll look at adjustments needing put away. This happens when stock is added, but the app doesn't know where to store it. Here's our product red shirt. A total of 140 units are across 2 locations, and 30 units are unassigned. In Unleashed, I'm adding a stock adjustment for red shirt. Positive 10 units. To finish the adjustment, I'll click Complete. We'll see this reflected in the app on the Stock Adjustments page, showing that 10 units were added to the product. Now, when you tap on the card to view the put away task, you'll notice the quantity shows 40 units, not just the 10 we added. This is because the put away displays your total unassigned quantity, the original 30 units plus the new 10 units. Let's complete the put away by selecting the suggested location. The stock is now properly located, and the unassigned quantity has cleared back down. Next, we'll look at adjustments needing location selection. This happens when reducing stock from multiple locations. I'm going to create another stock adjustment for red shirt in Unleashed, negative 50 units. And again, I'll click Complete to finish the adjustment. Back in the app, after the sync, you'll notice that the quantity remains unchanged on the product details. This is because the system does not know which location to deduct from and requires your input to specify this. On the Stock Adjustments page, in Pending Action, we can see the adjustment here and that it requires location selection. After you tap on this, you can see all available locations and their current quantities. I'll reduce 50 units from the first location, but you can reduce from any location, or split it across multiple locations if required. Tap Confirm Adjustment and you're done. The stock has been reduced from the location you specified. And that's it. In this tutorial, you've learned that when adding a stock adjustment in Unleashed, there are 2 scenarios where your input is needed: when adding stock that needs put away, and when reducing stock from multiple locations. Thanks for watching.